Now there's always something to be appreciative of every single day, and today happens to be me appreciating the weather of Mysuru. Just look at that. The weather happens to be perfect. With that being said, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. Today we are headed to Chamundi Hills, or as we traditionally call it, Chamundi Betta, and my main motive was to take my bike to Chamundi Betta for getting a puja done. And you guys would have already noticed I have got new frames. Do let me know in the comment section how it looks on me. With that also being said, before starting today's video, I want you guys to go subscribe if you still haven't, because a huge percentage of you guys haven't subscribed. We have everything set. I have my helmet, I have my jacket, I have the maps on, and yes, let's get going. I have two of my cousins accompanying me today, and it's gonna be a fun ride. Let's go. That's a beautiful car. Wow. Well boys, this time we aren't late, we are early, we're still waiting for the boys. Let's go. DC Avanti nodi. The Indian supercar. Now guys, I'm not quite sure if you guys can see me, but there's one good news and there's a bad news. Let's start with the bad news. We haven't gotten the puja done on the bike because there's a lot of people out here. The crowd is insane. It's one reason why we couldn't get the puja done. And the good news is we're probably coming back later this week to get the puja done. So that's that. But yeah, we came here. Now we're heading back home. I'll catch you guys later. Guys, this is fast forward to Wednesday. We're again headed to the temple to get the puja done. And yes, today hopefully we can get it done. My little cousin is accompanying me today. Say hi. He's a little camera shy, but okay. One of my other cousins is joining me, the one with the KTM RC. And yeah, let's go to the temple and let's see how that goes. We are back again. Time to switch.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೊಡಿತು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೊಡಿದ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೇ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನಾ? ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ.
Time to ride this. It's gonna feel so different now. Oh, my auxiliary lights are hitting the eye real bad. Bro, now I know what you feel. This feels so much more different now. called it twice. Lord. But man, this bike has such a different feeling to it. Wow, this is beautiful. Feels good to be riding a sports bike after a really long time. Oh, that's an RS7. God damn it. Howda? Bro, that's a beautiful car. The best part about Mysore is every left is a free left. That's about it, guys. Got the puja done on my bike. That's a good thing. And let me tell you, the puja went really well. We went inside the temple for the darsana and we got done with it in 5 minutes. That's the best part. That's about it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Other than that, it's been your boy Pratheerth Sharma signing off until the next video. See you. Also, I just realized this is the second time I'm doing an outro for this vlog at the same exact place.